Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install OpenSIS on Linux Mint 3. OpenSIS is one of the several free and open source student information system available to K-12 and higher education institutions. The solution has been in development for several years and appears to have much of the functionality that long-time commercial versions. Okay, now in this tutorial we will cover the installation procedure of OpenSIS on Linux Mint 3. Now here before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the OpenSIS package by using wget command. The download is complete now. Now we have to extract the OpenSIS package by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Here we have to change ownership and permission for the OpenSIS directory. Then we have to move the OpenSIS directory into the HTML location by using move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for OpenSIS. So go to set available location. Here we have to create OpenSys.conf file by using Vim editor. Change in set mode. Here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the site access. Then we have to disable the MySQL strict mode. Run the following steps. Change in set mode. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enter to the host file. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here we can see OpenSys installation. Now we have to click new installation. Now here we can see database setting. Now here we have to give admin password. Then we have to click next. Then here we can see connect to our database. So here click remove data from existing database. Then we have to click next. Now database is created. Now here we can see school details. So here we have to fill the school details. Then we have to click next. Then here we can see admin user setting. So here we have to fill the admin credential. Then after filling the details, we have to click next. Now the installation is completed. Now we have to click login. Then here we can see login page of OpenSys. Now here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of OpenSys. Thus we have seen how to install OpenSys on Linux Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.